Well, how you doing there? Deputy Sheriff here. You probably remember me from a little small town in North Carolina. Well, today I'm here to tell you about Charlie Girtman. Charlie's a man with a plan. Actually, we hired a fancy voiceover announcer to tell you about him. I'm just here to keep that guy on track.
Not so long ago, if you had to build facilities in 20 different cities, you had to deal with 20 different suppliers of doors and hardware.
That's 20 different suppliers, 20 different contracts, 20 different prices, 20 different shipping routines, 20 different everything. That's total chaos. Well, Charlie saw that redundancy and nipped it in the bud with one simple concept.
I felt like from the very start that if we could standardize their projects, give them what we call one-stop shopping from if they were going to build 30 buildings across the country, if we brought the material into our place and managed the material here, shipped the material out to make sure that it all got there in one shipment, then it would alleviate most of these problems for them. We're selling service, not products. We're selling a concept, not products. And so our concept and our philosophy is the customer put this shirt on my back and I need to appreciate that. And I make sure my employees feel the same way.
In 1984, Charles Girtman founded Girtman & Associates in Nashville, Tennessee. With 4 employees, he was the first distributor to provide doors, frames, and hardware on a national level.
Well, heck, he even supplied us with the door to our jail cell back at the courthouse. Oh man, I miss those days back at the Rock.
He had much bigger clients, too.
Before Girtman arrived on the scene with Marriott, they were buying their doors, frames, and hardware on a job-by-job basis through the general contractor. We were able to provide them a proposal to purchase these products on a national account basis, just like they've been buying their mattresses, televisions, and things of that nature for many years. We were able to capitalize on our purchasing through our relationships with our manufacturer and drive the cost down for these products significantly.
Mr. Girtman focused on 2 tasks. First, he worked hard to develop strong relationships with door, frame, and hardware manufacturers. This would allow his company to meet any client's building needs. And secondly, he designed and implemented a shipping process to deliver those materials to clients across the U.S. safely and on time.
And you know me, I'm all about safety.
By accomplishing these 2 things, Girtman achieved its primary goal, to provide the highest level of service, selection, and quality to each of its clients. With this philosophy of providing quality customer service, Girtman & Associates leveraged its relationship with Marriott Hotels to supply doors, frames, and hardware to every Courtyard Marriott and Spring Hill Suites built in the United States during the late 80s and early 90s.
Well, I like that Marriott. Went there one time with Thelma Lou up in Raleigh. They had color TVs and everything.
With our success with the Marriott Corporation, we felt like we could go further in the hospitality industry. We then supplied all the doors, frames, and hardware for every extended stay of America built in the U.S. That's when it hit us. We could apply this same concept to anybody, any industry, any company with a building program.
We've shortened the shopping list for accounts like Walmart, Kroger, Fresh and Easy, and Albertsons.
We electrify the electronics industry by supplying for Circuit City.
We freed up spare time for clients like Dick's Sporting Goods, Hobby Lobby, and Bed Bath & Beyond.
We taught PetSmart and Petco new tricks in the power of bulk purchasing.
We make things work better for Office Depot and OfficeMax.
Relationship development, safe and efficient shipping, bulk pricing, one-stop shopping, and high-quality customer service continue to define the Girtman experience. Today, Girtman employs more than 100 fine individuals, including architectural hardware and certified door consultants. In addition to its national network of top-tier manufacturers, Girtman boasts a 100,000 square foot facility, a state-of-the-art custom frame and door shop, and an on-site hardware warehouse. These resources allow Girtman to accurately and economically fulfill customer orders on a quick turn and provide services ranging from project consulting to order installation and everything in between. Girtman & Associates has done more than get its foot in the door when it comes to national distribution of doors, frames, and hardware. Charles sold that door.
Well, if you haven't figured it out by now, whether you need 1 door or 1,000 doors, with Girtman, you only need to deal with one company to get the best price and service. I like a fella that knows how to take charge.
We're here to present a concept to you. One company to contact with all of your door and frame hardware problems across the country. We're here to alleviate problems, not create problems.
Okay, Charles, open up. Real funny. Come on, let me out, will you? Come on. This is no time to be funny. You're a real prankster, you know that. A real kick-in-the-can, laughing-minute comedian. I'll find you, Charlie. I'll find you. I got the nose of a bloodhound and eyes like a hawk. I guess I'll just have to bust out of here. These hands are supposed to be lethal weapons. Not a chance. That's a Girtman door.